You will not be able to stay home, brother. There are no Obama dollars to tune in or plug into. His secret stash is the taxpayers' cash, working people who make progress instead of excuses and who tune in and not cop out. You will not be healed using the sick to legalize marijuana for your recreation, or healed by a 40-ounce prescription, or chanting mantras of hope and change. Yes, we can, as you expect others to provide things for you like healthcare when you have the power to get it yourself. But you don't know that because healthcare reform will not be televised. Healthcare reform will not be televised. It will not be brought to you by C-SPAN, no matter how much he said we can. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. C-SPAN will not show you images of Nancy Pelosi harvesting sales from Bonnet Hogg, Miles Frank to vaccinate our economy from H1N1. Healthcare will not be brought to you by Michael Moore, Demi Moore, or Captain Planet. Liberal healthcare reform will not give your mouth sex appeal, because there is nothing sexy about a mouthful of socialist ideas with lips that contort to tell you that they're not. Liberal healthcare will not make you look 5 pounds thinner, but the entitlement mentality of liberal America will eventually force others to pay for that liposuction, bariatric surgery, or tummy tuck, as if the government is obliged to boost your self-esteem. But you don't know that, because healthcare reform will not be televised. There will be no pictures of you pushing a shopping cart with Walmart, because they, along with George Bush, have hoarded all the money. No longer will you have to steal an ambulance for a free ride. The government will steal from others so you can. Al Gore will not be able to predict the weather on NBC, CNN, or MTV. These are big government leftists whose bad diagnosis of the climate is a good indicator of how badly the government would diagnose you. There will be no images of pigs shooting brothers down in the street, because if they weren't mortally wounded, they'd also have to show that a medical team will try to save their life without charging them first. The Daily Show, Bill Maher, and The View will no longer be seen as so relevant, and America will not care who betrays who and who's hooking up with who in some reality TV show, because the people are seeing that they have enough reality to deal with and are tired of an industry that specializes in make-believe trying to tell them about reality. They will see that the reality of healthcare rationed out by the government is a paradox of a reality nightmare, but you won't know that because healthcare reform will not be televised. Healthcare will not be fixed after this commercial break about global warming, even though the news just reported a cold snap. You will not have to worry about polar bears in your bedroom because they are cuddly, and the Delta smell can have your bed and you can sleep in the toilet. Liberal healthcare will not go better with Coke, because the bitter irony is that the sugar will be taxed to pay for the healthcare. Their healthcare will not kill the germs that cause bad breath, because it is a mouthful of manure as it is. It will not put you in the driver's seat, because the liberals who propose it believe your driving is raping the earth. The healthcare issue was supposed to be televised, but the people have gotten wise, and Obama has realized that he can't socialize with the eyes of the people on it. You've been duped and cut from the loop. The healthcare issue will not be televised, and socialism will be live.